welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. I have come up with this gorgeous look for Ganesh Chaturthi this time. Also, I have explained everything step by step to make it easy for you. And if you want to find me on Instagram, this is my account. You can go follow me over there. I will also add the link in the description box. And if you like watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications every time I upload a new video. So let's get this started. Okay, so I'm starting with this shimmer oil from Nika K. You can see it has got this minute gold particles which will glow up your whole face. The next, I think I need a little bit of color correction today, so I'll be using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade orange. And while using a color corrector, always remember, don't use it as a color. Remember to use it as a tint only. I used to do this mistake a lot. Now I'll just blend this one out with this Sigma brush, and the brush number is P84. Since I used the primer oil already, I didn't go with the primer, but if you want to go with a silicone based primer, make sure you are using the primer before applying this color correctors. The next, it's time for my foundation, and for my foundation today I am using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 130 Buff Beige, and this is how it looks. So I just realized I need a little more coverage on the center of my face, so I'm just applying the second coat. For my brows today, I'm going to use this brow pencil from my Glam, and I think the shade name is Shook, and the color looks like this. It's a grayish brown kind of color, and this one is really very pigmented. The next, I'll just go in with my concealer, and today I am using this one from L'Oreal Paris, and this one is the Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and the shade name is Amber. Okay, so this is a very creamy, thick, full coverage concealer. Don't overuse it, otherwise your makeup is going to turn total cakey at the end. So it's very important to set your concealed areas, especially where they tend to crease a lot. And today, to set my concealed areas, I'm going to use this HD Flawless. I don't know how much you can see it. This is the HD Flawless powder, and this one is from Absolute New York. Since I'm going to start with my eye makeup next, I just want to shape my brows a little, and for that I'm going to use the same concealer from L'Oreal, and here comes this tiny flat brush. Okay, so for my eye makeup today, I'm going to use this palette. This is a La Katrina palette from Delancey, and I'm going to start with this muted pink right here called Wing, and this blending brush is from Morphe, and the brush number is M514. So here you can see I'm just trying to define my crease area. So this will be my base color for today, the transitional color I mean. just winging it outward a little and blending it really well. So the next color will be a little dark, and this time it will be this hot pink right here called Love, and this is the brush I'm going to use next, and this brush is from Pro Art, and the brush number is PE23. I'm going to deposit the color first on the crease line. The next just blend. And now just switch to my brush to this Morphe one, and the brush number is M514 as I said. I mostly use this brush when it comes to blending because I just feel it blends like dream. The next I'll go in with this a little more darker shade called Skull, which is this one, and this is a tiny brush. This is a dense brush as well, you can see, and this brush is from Essence. It's called Smoky Eyes brush. Again, I'll just deposit the color on my crease area. And now it's time to blend. Okay, so now the crease and everything looks kind of ready. So we will go with this pinkish kind of shimmer. So this is the shimmer I was talking about, and it is called Remember Me. I'm just using my finger to apply this shimmer. And I'm applying it all over the lid using my finger in a dabbing motion, mainly focusing on the inner lid and the lid space below the crease area. Okay, so this looks kind of done, but I want to go a little more crazy with it. So this time I'm going to use a darker shimmer. This is a maroonish kind of shimmer, and the shade name is Connect. It looks like this, though I'm going to use a very little amount of this one just to settle down this vibrant lavender kind of pink, and I think it's working pretty good. So it's time for my lower lash line, and for that I'm going to use this muted pink first, which is called Wing, and I'm going to just brush it all over the lower lash line, and the brush I'm going to use for that is M562 from Morphe again. The next I'll be drawing a smoky winged liner on the upper lid, of course, and today for that I'll be using this Kajal pencil from LYB Makeup. You have heard me talking about this one a lot because I like using this one because this is super pigmented, glides on smoothly, even stays for a long time. So this is a perfect choice. The next I'm going to take an angled brush. I don't know the name or number. I got this from Primark. It came in a set of 4, so I really don't remember. This is a tiny angular brush, and I'm going to use this one to wing it out a little and to just smoke it out. Also, I would like to inform you that don't wait for too long if you are going for a smoky look. Just apply it and smoke it right after that because it tends to dry up pretty quickly. So it will be very difficult for you if it is super dry. I think this is enough for this look. Now I'll just do the other eye off camera and I'll get back to you. So the next I'll go back to my face now, and today I'll be doing powder contouring, and for that I'm going to use this one from My Glam once again. So this is their HD bronzer duo and the shade name is cinnamon. I think this one is cinnamon and this one is terracotta. So I'll take this terracotta one today, and this brush is from Real Techniques and this is the setting brush, but I generally use this one for contouring. For my blush today, I'm going to use this pink blush from Primark and the shade name is In the Pink. This is a super pigmented blush, so just make sure that you take a very little amount and don't overdo it. For my highlighter today, I'm going in with this e.l.f. Baked Highlighter and Blush. And I really don't know. Okay. The shade name is Rose Gold, and I love this product because this is super natural. This makes you look super natural. There are no chunky glitters in this highlighter. So yeah, this is a very good drugstore option. This fan brush is also from e.l.f. Okay, so my makeup is almost done. Before applying the setting spray, I just want to go in with these two kajals once more. This one is the nude kajal pencil or liner, whatever you call it. I will apply it on my lower lid, and I will cover my upper waterline with this LYB Makeup Black Kajal. The next is this one. This is a Scandalize from Rimmel London, and this is the nude liner. It makes my eyes look super, wide and beautiful. So for my setting spray today, I am using my most favorite one, which is this MAC Prep and Prime setting spray. It just melts down all the layers of powders and cream into one and make the makeup look like skin. So yeah, this is my absolute favorite. And now I'll just dab my sponge over it to make it absorb. Okay, everything is done. Now I'm just left with my mascara and lipstick. Let me go with the mascara first, and for my mascara I'm going in with the Insta Curl Lash Mascara from MAC today. Let me curl my lashes first. I'll apply a little bit on the lower lashes as well to just balance out the whole thing. Before going in with the lipstick, I just realized that I forgot to apply the highlighter on the inner corners and the brow bones. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. And of course, I'm going to use the same highlighter from e.l.f. And I'm using this flat brush. I got this one from Amazon. And this looks super cute. So this is how it looks. I'm of course going to apply falsies at the end, and I'm also going to draw that half moon shaped bindi on my forehead. But before that, I want to go in with my lipstick. For my lipstick today, I'm going to use this one from my Glam, and this is my current favorite. The shade name is UM08 Foxy, and the formula is super cool. It just sets on my lip perfectly, and it doesn't make my lip feel hard after some time. It doesn't crumble down, So it's amazing, it's really amazing. Before applying any kind of matte lipstick, don't forget to apply a good amount of lip balm underneath, otherwise you'll feel very uncomfortable after some time. Okay, so probably this will take a little time to turn into a matte one because I think I have applied a lot of lip balm just before this one, actually more than what was required. So yeah, in the meantime I'll just draw my bindi or probably cut out a bindi and apply it on my forehead, and once it sets into a matte one, I mean the lipstick, you can see. So guys, this is how it looks. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know any suggestions in the comment section below and give a thumbs up to show some support. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi from me to all of you. Stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye and take care.